up guys, Henry here. First off, I want to apologize for having not posted anything in about a week or 2 weeks. I've had some really serious challenges which has been overcome by the grace of God, and thank God I'm back and we can continue with our reviews on this channel. We're back into smartphone season proper, and today I'll be giving you my thoughts and impressions on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Now this video isn't about specifications or any of that stuff. There are a ton of video reviews out there that give you those specifications on the S20 Ultra. This video is to tell you my thoughts on this device and why I think this is a really good smartphone from Samsung. Samsung has really done a really good job on the smartphone here. So if you'd like to know everything about this device, it'll be good you stay to the end of the video. And you'd also want to stay to the end of the video because I will be giving out something quite cool. So if you'd like to know, well, stay tuned. Let's get started. So first things first, I'm talking about the build quality here. This is a solidly built phone. It feels very solid, feels very strong. It's the usual glass and glass sandwich with metal in between, but this feels really solid. One other thing about this phone that you may like is the fact that it's got a really huge display. This is one of the biggest phones Samsung has made till date. It's pretty big, I mean, for a lot of people, but for me, I can manage it with one hand. Now this phone rocks, and one of the places where you find that you never want to go back to using other smartphones when you use it is that 120 Hz display. So it's like driving a Toyota Camry and then moving from your Toyota Camry to a Range Rover Evoque. The experience is absolutely mind-blowing. It's so smooth. I just feel like I never want to use a 60 Hz phone ever again. It's freaking smooth. I mean, it's almost unbelievable what that experience is. I mean, that 120 Hz on this thing is absolutely beautiful. Now this phone comes with a 5000 mAh battery, and paired with that 120 Hz refresh rate, you may not really get the best battery life out of this 5000 mAh battery, but if you are willing to bump it down to 60 Hz, you probably get up to 7 to 8 hours of screen on time. But me using the 120 Hz refresh rate on display all day, every day, I get typically between 4 to 5 hours. Well, maybe not up to 5 hours, but between 4 and 4.5 hours screen on time on this device, which isn't bad in my opinion. I enjoy using that 120 Hz display, and it's just absolutely a beautiful experience. Now videos and picture quality on this phone look fantastic. Again, Samsung knows how to make the best screens in the industry. This is a 6.9-inch display. It's huge, it's absolutely vibrant, it's very bright. Videos on this display look absolutely stunning. I mean, I've been watching some 4K videos on this phone and they are just simply beautiful. Now again, one other thing that you would love about this phone is the gaming and the performance of this phone. Performance is just absolutely incredible. Gaming on this phone flies. You don't have any stutters, you don't have any frame drops, everything just flies. You can throw all your 3D heavy titles on this phone and it will handle all of it like a champ. Now the next thing a lot of you would like to know about are those camera system behind this phone, and I must tell you that Samsung has upped their game. Now you've got that periscope system camera which has a 100x zoom. Not that anybody would want to use a 100x zoom. You probably would use it only once or twice, or when you just want to feel cool or show your friends how cool your phone is. But it's there if you want to use it. You've also got that 108 megapixel primary camera on the smartphone, and that camera takes really beautiful pictures. I haven't been disappointed yet with any images I've taken, and I'm also going to be bringing you another video where I showcase how good these cameras are. I'm going to be taking it around Lagos, taking pictures and showing you how excellent these cameras are. You've also got an ultra wide angle lens, which is pretty cool, takes distance photos as well. And then the night mode on this camera is absolutely improved. Samsung has done a really excellent job improving the night mode on this camera. So again, another thing that you find here is that you've had that incredible front-facing camera. I believe in all the specs on the screen again right now. It's a 48 megapixel selfie camera and it takes absolutely decent selfies. I haven't been disappointed by any of the shots I've taken, and I'm really impressed that Samsung could put a camera like that in front. And for this selfie camera, again, it also works as your face unlock camera. It's a 2D face unlock and it works pretty well. You've also got an in-display fingerprint sensor on this device, which is ultrasonic, and it's a tad bit faster than what you had on the Note 10 and the S10 series. And it's a good thing that Samsung is really improving on that in-display fingerprint sensor. So One UI here is smooth, it's clean. Samsung has really done a lot of work on One UI here. You know, I've always been a Xiaomi MIUI fan, but the One UI experience on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra is just absolutely beautiful. I mean, it's really smooth. It's really fluid, everything just works. It now feels like a really matured skin on top of Android, and I'm really impressed with what Samsung has done. You got a dual speaker system on this phone and it's fantastic. It's loud, it's crisp, and it's really clear. I haven't had any issues with cracking on this device when I raise the volume to the top. For the model I have here, it's got a dual SIM slot, which also houses a micro SD card slot. And that micro SD card slot can take up to 1 terabyte of expandable storage. So one of the things I also like that they've done on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra and the S20 series in general is that Samsung has taken off those curved screens that you had on the S10 and S10 Plus series, and they've made the screen a little bit flatter, and I prefer this mode over the S10 screens. I mean, I just like the way this looks. How much will this device cost you, and does it make any sense going for a device like this? Now, I'm not someone to tell you how to spend your money, but if you are one person who likes a powerful smartphone and a phone that doesn't give you any stutters or headaches or slowdowns, then the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra is probably the best smartphone you can buy on the Android space right now. I'll have all the pricing schemes on the screen right now so you can see the one that's best for you and you can choose the one you prefer. And that being said, as I said in the beginning of this video, I'll be giving away something quite special to one lucky subscriber of this channel, and I'll be giving away one Samsung Galaxy Bud. This is a first generation Galaxy Bud here, and I'll be giving this to one lucky subscriber over the next 7 days. You may want to stay tuned to this channel over the course of the month, because I'll be giving away a couple of these earbuds over the course of the month, so you'd want to watch every video and follow the instructions in those videos. I'll be leaving a link in the description of this video on how you can enter for this giveaway. Again, I'll be announcing the winner to this Samsung Galaxy Bud in 7 days time. So go down there, hit the subscribe button, like this video, share this video, follow me on social media as well. Guys, thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, you know what to do. Leave them in the comment section of this video and I'll get back to as much of them as I can. Again, thanks for watching. Do like, do subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.